Welcome everyone, this is Teacher Summer and we're going to discuss Unit 3. We're going to learn about animal life. So there are many kinds of animals. Some animals live on land and water, but first we should know that animal homes are called animal habitat. Animals that live in the water, such as jellyfish, swordfish, we have crabs, we have tortoise or turtles, we have whales, clownfish, and we have starfish. And of course, we also have the seaweeds, which are the plants in the water. Next, we have animals that live on land and water. First are the amphibians. Amphibians are animals that can live on land and water. Samples of amphibians are tortoises, crocodiles, and frogs. These animals can stay in the water for a long time and can stay on land at the same time. These animals also have shells or scales. Next is the reptiles. These animals also live on land and water. The samples we have for reptiles are salamander, lizard, Komodo dragon, chameleon, turtle, and crocodiles. We also have the snakes. These animals are called reptiles because they have scales. And these animals have eggs that are soft. Now we are going to learn about these animals and their food. First, we have the lizard. Lizards are animals that feed on insects. Another animal is the crocodile. Crocodile is a reptile that is carnivore. They eat and feed on meat. They eat animals such as deer, chickens, frogs, mice, and can even eat humans. Another example is the frog. Frog feeds on insects and small fishes. Next are the animals that are dangerous or dangerous animals. These animals live on land. We have examples such as lions, crocodiles, and tiger. We also have the snakes. So we should stay away from these animals. Especially the tigers and lions and crocodiles. They feed on any meats and even humans are in danger. So we need to stay away from these animals. And the snakes are venomous and some are poisonous such as the cobras and pythons. Okay, so this is our lesson for Unit 3. Thank you so much and see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.